Subscribe the channel ProzTech and press the bell icon to get latest technology videos once we release. More importantly, the subscription to the channel is completely free. Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel ProzTech. My today's video is something different. As usual, I upload in ProzTech. Friends, today YouTube has announced changes to the YouTube Partner Program, and they have introduced new rules for the YouTube creators to enable monetization on the channel's videos if and only if you have 1000 subscribers in your channel, and in the last year you should be having 4000 hours watch time on your videos. If you are a new video creator or an old experienced video creator, if you don't meet new guidelines issued from YouTube, it means your channel does not have 1000 subscribers and your channel's videos are not watched for 4000 hours in the past year, then you have 30 days notice period. If your monetization is still on, then it can be suspended anytime. Friends, I have also received warning from YouTube. Therefore, the question is that what is the solution to make your channel's monetization on? YouTube have also gave the solution to fulfill this criteria, that before February 20th, means within 30 days of this warning, you just need to get 1000 subscribers completed, and you should make your videos more interesting and informative to reach benchmark of 4000 hours for watch time. If you fail to do so, then as a result, your channel will lose access to all monetization tools and features associated with the YouTube Partner Program. Once your channel reaches the threshold, it will be reviewed to make sure it adheres to their policies and guidelines, and if so, monetization will be re-enabled. So friends, I got this shocking news and I realized that it should be shared to all YouTube creators. I hope that you liked this video, so give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel ProzTech. Thanks for watching.